How's everybody been? What's up? I'm sorry I've been MIA. I've been so busy studying, just doing everything. Anyway, now today we're going to be putting on some lashes, but we are also going to be exploring these two types of glue. This is a very good glue. It's called Star Glue. I've been using Star Glue ever since I've been putting on lashes, and I love how it works. So I bought the 3-pack from Amazon. We're going to use this. This holds pretty well to me. It holds good. Now, some customers may not like it. They need an extra strong hold. So what I've done is ordered something else from Amazon, which is more of a professional lash glue with a strong hold. It's called Venus Visage. Venus Visage, and I'm gonna try it. It's only 0.17 ounces. I want to try it out on myself before I try it out on any customers. So what comes in the pack, you have your little lash glue here, and you have some instructions that tell you to shake before you use it for 30 seconds. Drop single a few drops of the glue onto your lash plate or glue ring, and dip it with tweezers, whatever the case, and then apply it. This is that was a top for it, but I don't understand why I would need that. Let's open it and see. Oh, that's what that was for. Okay, so let me go and pick up the top. Oh, so I guess that's how you do it. This is it right here. So one thing we can do first is just line our eyes. Now we're gonna be, these are the two lashes. We're gonna see which one is stronger. I'm gonna do it for the day, and then I'll come back tonight and let you see which one was a stronger hold. So what I'm first gonna do right now is line my eyes. And I have a little mirror here. Let me see what I'm doing. I'm sorry if you guys can't. The left looks a little better than the left looks better than the right, and that always tripped me up, but okay. So that's done. Now we're gonna apply these lashes. Now today's lashes are going to be from my lash line, Exclusiva Lash. Everyone already know. That's what we're gonna be applying today. These aren't too dramatic. It's only 20 millimeter, and these are in the style Tokyo. So we done lined our eyes, we done did everything. Be sure to look out for tonight and see which lash glue has the stronger hold. And it's out of the Venus Visage, or what I always use is Star Glue. And you can get both of these on Amazon. Now let's open this up. Open this. This is from the newest vendor that I've ordered from. It's not like my first vendor who was crazy with shipping prices. They didn't come with the wand. But it's okay because everybody has, wands are so inexpensive. They're very inexpensive, and everybody knows when they're wearing lashes, as soon as they get out of the shower or from washing their face, to comb them out. Peel this one off gently. Or if you have long nails like me, you can just take this out so you can easily peel it off. I usually cut the tip, which I'm gonna do right now. The tip will aggravate me, so I'm just gonna do like this. Cut the tip. I'm measuring it to see exactly where I want it, and I guess I want it there. This is where I want it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. We're going to use the Venus Visage on the right eye. Okay, and on the left we'll use the Star Glue. You don't need, you could just do gently. And the smell of it is kind of smell like a nail salon. Smells like a nail salon. And it looks like it's drying pretty fast. Let's just put a little more on there because it looks like I may have been light-handed. Okay. That's how it looks. Like that. So we're gonna let that have a good dry. And then as well, I cut that. Because whatever's left at the edge just bothers me. It aggravates me all day. So this is the Star Glue we're going to put on the left. Put it on my... Oh, now that's too much. Y'all, this is too much. But we're going to use it. Yeah, right there. That's all we need. I'm gonna wipe my hands off with this napkin. Let that dry. And it wipe off real easy, look. It's like hair glue. Like that bonding glue. It's gone. Look. It's gone. It's not gonna be stuck on nails, no nothing, it's gone. Let's apply the Venus Visage right now. I have my mirror here I'm looking down at.